How to change display name on Reddit app. Are you guys facing issues to change your name on Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Now tap on profile. As soon as you click on profile, you can see the option for edit. Tap on it. Now click on display name. Delete the text and add it according to your preference. After you write it down, hit the save button. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change the display name on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.